Hello everyone, good evening. Today we will discuss the summary of business environment ECO13. So we will start from unit 1, nature and dimension of business environment. This is the introduction part. Any type of activities which has the objective of earning profit is called as business. A business cannot exist in isolation. It works with an environment made up of forces, institutions and conditions that affect its functioning. For example, a company manufacturing electric vehicles depend on policies, government incentives, technology, battery R&D, society, public awareness and economy purchasing power of people. Hence, the environment is both a support and a challenge. Business must adjust to it for survival and growth. Next topic, we will move to meaning and significance of business environment. Meaning, business environment means the total of all internal and external factors that affect the firm's operation and decisions. These include economy, customers, competitors, technology, laws, politics, society, culture, demography and natural resources. Next topic, we will move to its significance. First, helps to identify opportunities and threats. A growing middle class, that means opportunity for consumer goods companies. Higher competition equal to threat to profit. Next, guides planning and policy formulation. For example, a mobile phone company plans new model after studying customer tastes and global trends. In the third point, helps in adaptation to change. Environment is dynamic. For example, COVID-19 changed consumer habits, leading to growth in e-commerce. Fourth point, encourage innovation. Changing technology pushes companies to innovate, for example, AI tools, renewable energy solutions. Fifth point, provides direction for long-term vision. Firms align their mission and vision with environmental realities.